Lydia, you're ruining the house. You're breaking the castle the boys worked so hard on. Ah. Godzilla, Lydia. Oh, all that hard work.